Okay, so here we are in our REI Kingdom 8 tent, and as you can see in here, it's raining. It was raining a little harder earlier, but right now it's just drizzling. And this tent has held up pretty well. Really good. Here's our little setup here. Here's the sleeping area, part of the REI tent. There's my son, there's my husband.
Ranted.
And my daughter. So we've got a queen bed in here and then a cot just on that part. And then I'll show you this. Excuse the mess. We've set up sort of like a little makeshift kitchen because the weather hasn't been too great. Usually we wouldn't cook in our tent. A little heater because it's kind of cold here in Alaska. And then seating area, kids are watching a movie. A couple days ago, this tent like held up to like 30-mile-an-hour winds, and it's done a really great job. Here's just some more storage areas. Got things underneath. And I'm gonna go outside and kind of show you what it looks like. We have the rain fly on, and we haven't bought the garage yet, but we want that. So all we did was we tied down the rain fly really good, and it withheld the 30-mile-an-hour winds. So I'd say this was a really good buy. There's our little vestibule where we're storing some stuff. So there it is. It's a great tent. I suggest it. If the winds pick up again, I'll show you a video with how it's doing and holding up to the winds.